Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 745 and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the Garmin Connect application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, scroll down, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. In Bluetooth settings, you should see a list called My Devices. And on this list, you should see your Forerunner 745. Find it and then tap on the info icon next to it. And on this page, make sure that the system or share system notifications option is enabled. Once this option is enabled, go back to the main page of settings, scroll down through the page, find the list of applications, and on the list of applications, find the app called Connect. Tap on it, and here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and also you can tap on notifications and enable allow notifications. And once you're done, you can close the settings. Now we can open the Garmin Connect application on our iPhone that is paired with our watch. In the app, you should see the My Day page. Now you can tap on the More icon to open the menu, scroll down, tap on Garmin Devices, and here you can tap on Forerunner 745 to open the device page for your watch. On this page, scroll down and find the option called Sounds and Alerts, and then tap on it, and here select Smart Notifications. And as you can see, right here we can customize some settings for our notifications. We have a couple options like general use, during activity, and timeout. General use is basically when you use your watch normally and you don't track any activity like running, cycling and stuff like that. During activity is basically when you're using your watch and you're tracking the activity. And timeout allows you to set how fast the notification or notifications will disappear from the screen after they pop out. Okay, first let's tap on general use. And here we have a couple options. We have show, privacy, and alert. Let's tap on show first, and here we can select which types of notifications should be displayed on our watch. And you have all, calls and text only, calls only, and off. Select the one you like by tapping on it. I'm gonna select all. Next we have privacy. You can tap on it and here you can select off, press start or gesture. I believe this basically what this option does is it's gonna hide the content of the notification, and if you select, for example, press start, you will need to press the start button to display it. And gesture, you will need to perform the gesture to display it. And off, of course, means that it's disabled. Next, we have the alert. You can tap on it, and here you can select the type of the alert. You have tones, vibration, and tones and vibration. Select the one you like, and then let's go back, tap on during activity. We can set the same options for the activity. Select the one you like, and then go back, and the last option is timeout. You can tap on it and select the duration. I'm gonna select medium, for example. And once you're done customizing the settings for your notifications, you can close the app. And at this point, you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. We didn't get it. Let's turn on the do not disturb mode, turn it off, and try again. Oh, this time we got it. And as you can see, we have the notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. And if you miss the notification on your watch, you can always press the up or down button on the home screen, the current watch face, to scroll through the list of glances. Scroll through it until you find the notifications. Then you can Select it, press start to open the notification menu, and here we have the notifications. You can select one, press start to open it. You can then press start to clear it if you want, like that. And once you're done, you can press the back button to go back. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.